How to make emojis bigger on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Display and Brightness option and tap on it. On the next screen, scroll down and tap on Display Zoom. Here, change the setting from default to the larger text option. After tapping Done, a pop-up appears. Now, confirm by tapping Use Zoomed. Then go to the Messages application on your phone. Tap the new message icon in the top right corner to start a new conversation. Here, tap the emoji icon on the left below on the keyboard. To demonstrate, select some emojis. You can see adding one emoji makes it very large. Adding a second and third keeps them large, though slightly smaller. Following these steps, you can easily make emojis bigger on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.